All right, we get these type of comments all the time. How's the family life? Oh yeah, can't have one in that life. All the welders I talk to are divorced, paying child support, wishing they spent more time at home. This is it's pretty typical in the welding industry just because a lot of people make poor decisions. Now, I have a good buddy in the welding industry. He travels with his family. They go to national parks. They take their camper all over the country. Their kids are homeschooled and they just visit the whole United States while their dad hits different jobs around the country. And it works for some people, it doesn't work for others. Now, the traveling and welding life can be hard on families. If you don't set yourself up right and you have a lot of bills to where you have to stay gone all the time, it can be pretty stressful and hard on your family. But there also is a lot of good welding jobs close to your home, generally speaking, in most states and cities. Now, what I did is right out the gate, 19 to 20, I started traveling and welding and I didn't get myself into debt. So I was making really good money traveling and welding, but also I didn't buy things that required me to stay traveling all the time. So I invested my money into a Roth IRA and I just keep on investing in that. And that's the things that we teach here at the Kentucky Welding Institute is while you're a younger person, don't get yourself in financial binds. Make good money, travel and see the country, get paid to do it, invest your money, and then set yourself up for the future. The problem a lot of people get into is they start making this good money, they start buying a lot of things that require them to stay in debt, and then they have to stay gone all the time. So that's the biggest issue with the welding industry and the good money that can be made in it. Now, I'll say I'm not married yet, I don't have a family yet, so it's kind of easier for me to say these things, but I think with that mindset, you can prepare yourself better for the future. So the biggest thing is, as a younger person getting into the welding industry, don't buy a lot of things that require you to stay working and invest your money, and that'll help you later on in life. And if you do that, you only have to be in the welding industry for 8 to 10 years or less than that, depends on how much you invest. So you can use the welding industry to set your whole life up and then get a job close to the house that's maybe welding or maybe not welding and spend time with your family. I got buddies that they love welding, so they stay traveling and welding. So you can really make it whatever you want to make it as long as you're smart with your money and invest it. And don't listen to the people in the comment section that are negative because they're people that have probably made poor decisions, poor financial decisions, and they have to be stuck doing it all the time. So again, be smart with your money, invest your money, and do what's best for you, but don't put yourself in a financial hole. Hopefully this helps.